Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GIS Tips and Tricks. Today I will discuss about an awesome website through which you can download any swipe file all over the world only free of cost. So let's begin this video. At first you need to open any browser and open just Google search engine, and you have to search Diva GIS. When you search Diva GIS, after that some search result open on your screen. Just click on the first link. After clicking this first links, one website open in front of you. Just click on free special data. If you see this website, you can see different types of data here available. Here first country level. Download country level data for any country in this world, like administrative boundaries, roads, railways, altitude, land cover, population density, etc. In the file of global level, you can find country boundaries. You can also download the climatic data from here, and then there are many of data species, occurrence data, corp collection data from Genesis, near global 90 meter resolution evolution data, and high resolution satellite image also. So if you download different types of data, you can visit this website and check this. Okay, first I need to see country level data. For checking this country level data, I just click on country level data. When I click country level data, and this screen appear in front of you. Here you can select your country. Suppose I select country India. In the option of subject, you can choose your different criteria which you need to or which you want to download this data. Here different types of data available, like administrative areas, inland water, roads, railways, elevation, country mass, land cover, population, and many more. You can download this different data. I can download just administrative area, so I just click on administrative area, and after that I click OK. When I click administrative area, this page open in front of you, and if you want to download this data, just click on download option. It automatically redirect, and your download will be started. Just click on save. You can see your download will started here. Here you can see download started. After download, I have to open this data in my ArcGIS. So first I need to open my ArcGIS. Okay, open just ArcGIS, and I go to this file, and this download. this file I also download. I copy this file to another folder, ArcGIS. Create a new folder. Here I paste this data. First you need to do extract this file. Extract here. My file is extracted. After that I go to ArcMap 10.4. My version, ArcMap version is 10.4. So here I add this data. Okay, here I show you one shortcut for adding data in ArcGIS. You can select this path and just copy it and go to ArcGIS. Click on the add data option and paste this path. And when you click on add, this all file is available in front of you. Just select it and just add. So it is the easier method for selecting any data. Data is open. Here 4 type of data appear. It is video helpful to you, then do like, comment and subscribe, and comment if you have any suggestion regarding your remote sensing and GIS field. And take care. Bye bye. Thank you.